Mrs Tapp's class presents The Rainforest.
A rainforest is a large jungle-like habitat where many plants, animals, and insects live.
The weather is hot, humid, misty, and rainy. It rains about 80 to 200 inches per year.
The average daily temperature ranges from 92 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Rainforests are located all around the world and are centered on the equator, an imaginary line that runs around the middle of the earth. There are many in Central and South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Some countries with rainforests include Madagascar, Brazil, Malaysia, and Mexico.
Do you drink coffee? Coffee beans come from the rainforest.
Other important things that we get from the rainforest are medicine, paper, food, flowers, fruit, chocolate, and most importantly, water and oxygen.
There are 4 main layers in the rainforest.
The bottom layer of the rainforest is the forest floor.
Many insects live on the forest floor. It's very dark and doesn't get much sunlight.
The plants that grow in this layer are usually under 10 feet tall. Ferns grow in this layer. They have big leaves to catch more sunlight.
Coatimundis blend in with the trees to camouflage from predators. Tiger stripes help them blend in with the sunlight.
The anaconda is the world's largest snake and lives in this layer.
Fungi is found in this layer and can kill some animals.
The layer right above the forest floor is the understory.
The plants in this layer grow up to 12 feet.
Zebra plants and peace lilies live in this layer. They need only little sunlight.
It is hot and damp. It has less sunlight than the canopy, but more than the forest floor.
Canopy leaves that have fallen are now dead, dry leaves on the forest floor. Poison dart frogs survive by being brightly colored to warn predators that they are poisonous.
Birds and monkeys may enter the understory in their travels or while looking for food.
The passion vine butterfly is red, black, and yellow.
Many animals in the understory use camouflage.
The next layer is the canopy.
The canopy is like a garden in the air with lots of air plants like bromeliads. These do not have roots in the soil but get nutrients from the air.
The canopy has the most animal life because it has the most food. The height of the trees in the canopy is between 100 to 150 feet tall. The thick leaves make it hard to see, so monkeys and birds must call loudly to communicate. The leaves, flowers, and fruit that grow there provide food for animals. Many leaves are pointed so rain runs off the tips.
The highest layer in the rainforest is the Emergent Layer. The Emergent Layer is the tallest layer in the rainforest. It's the brightest layer with the most sunlight.
The trees can grow 130 to 250 feet. The trees are so high they pop out of the canopy.
Harpy eagles live in the Emergent Layer and build big nests out of sticks.
The The Emergent Layer has a bunch of birds. Butterflies do not fly up to the Emergent Layer.
We need to stop cutting down trees, which causes loss of habitat. Many wonderful and unique plants and animals are in danger of extinction.
Trees give us oxygen we need to survive.
The rainforest is an awesome place. Remember,
Save the rainforest.